Guys, a quick video of a bicycle flip that I just did. I just bought this Gary Fisher mountain bike. It was actually a really nice bike. It was made in America and it was handmade. I bought this bike for $100, and then I turned it around and I flipped it for $397. And the seller, or actually, the buyer came out and met me and gave me $400 cash for the bike. Okay, so quick video of another successful bike flip. Again, I bought this bike for $100 and I sold it for $400, guys. Okay, and this is an old bike. This bike was built in 2000. Okay, 1999, 1998. So like 10, 15 years old, and I put $100 in. I sold it for 400, so I made 400% return. I can't get that with Bitcoin. I can't get that with gold. Can't get that with real estate, especially in the velocity, especially in the time of the return. I mean, if you look at bonds today, guys, you can lock up your money and give it to Uncle Sam and wait 30 years, and they're not even giving you 1%, dude. Okay, and the new flip, which is a course that I created for you guys to make money today, was just $100 real quick. You can, like some of my students, put $100 in, turn to $300 really fast, $400 really fast, $500 really fast, $700 really fast. Depends on the deal. Okay, but you also have the potential to lose your money because this is Mr. No Fluff. I'm not gonna fluff you, but again, if you lose your money, you're only losing $100. So, but on the flip side, you're able to make 300%, 700%, 200%, 800%. So very small amount of money to lose, big amount of money to make. You can't beat that odds in, like I said, many other businesses out there. So if you're interested about learning how to do this, then you should definitely look below. I have a link there. I show you exactly how to find these deals, exactly what to say to these sellers, exactly who your audience is, and exactly what to do. It's an hour training video, so go to the link below. If you're interested in getting my book, getting my course where everything's handed to you in a platter, then I appreciate the support. Leave a comment below and I'll send you the link to download the course as well. This is called the new flip. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, smarter than you think, stronger than you seem, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. My favorite poem, guys, from Romy. And yep, I mess up. I freestyle this stuff. I'm not scripted. I'm just a regular dude just like you. This is a guy that follows his heart. A guy that just doesn't take no. A guy that doesn't like bankers. A guy that doesn't follow the herd. And this is what I try to teach you, to be your dreams in America, because we live in the best country ever. You can make money in America with just a freaking $100, as long as you're willing to hustle. Don't take no for an answer, guys. Peace.